Hey all, Mariana here from Team Tonic. Super excited to dive into the back end of Google Analytics 4 for you today. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use this tool daily here at Tonic and the ways and the reports that are most helpful for us to answer those big questions that you might have in your business. So first up, when you get into Google Analytics 4, you'll see on the left-hand sidebar, there's Home, Reports, Explore, and Advertising. I hang out mostly in the Home and in the Reports section. You absolutely can do some digging inside of Explore and Advertising, but in this video, I'm going to focus more on this Reports tab. So inside Reports, my number one favorite report that I look at is the real-time report. Now, if you're ever launching anything, you have a website launch or even a product launch, this is a tab I like to really sit in because you can actually see in real time how many people are sitting in on your site. This is really helpful to make sure, are things working correctly? Is there anything that we need to fix or optimize? You also can get a good feel here how many people are looking at from your desktop, your mobile, and your tablet. We want to make sure that things are always optimized mobile, but this is a really good feel to see where are our people coming from. You also get a really good visual representation of where are they viewing from? Where are they coming from? Where are my people? So this is really great. Now, the other thing that I like to look at are reports snapshot. So when you go to report snapshot, this is really giving you that overall snapshot of how many users have you had, how long are they on your site for, really getting a good feel of where are they coming from. Again, this is more of a snapshot view, so if you really want quick answers, this is the screen to go to. But if you want to do some digging, like I like to do, like answering the question, where is my traffic coming from? I like to go to the traffic acquisition report. Now, inside of this report, I really like to source it or to filter it by our source medium. Now, source medium means the source, think of, is like the source of your traffic. So think about maybe like ActiveCampaign, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, right? Like that's your source. Your medium is the general type of traffic. So is it paid or CPC traffic? Is it social? Is it email? So I like to really filter that way just so I can get a good feel of where is that coming from. You would want to make sure up here that you are adding your date to be whatever date it is that you're trying to look at. So when you're comparing data to data, you want to make sure that your time period that you're pulling is the same time period. So that's one thing to just keep in mind if you're ever comparing week to week, pulling a Sunday to Monday report, etc. The second question I like to answer is how many visitors came from Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, etc. So if we are looking into this or we want to know how much of our organic traffic is coming from where, I could come in here and just do, I just want organic. Type that in and I can then see how much we have within that time period of organic traffic. I could also say, I want to see how much Facebook traffic is coming. And I'm able to pull all of the places that our Facebook reports or our Facebook ads are bringing in traffic. And that you're able to do this for any source that you need to look at. The next report that I like to look at is answering the question, what are my top visited pages? So to get there, you're going to want to go to, again, reports, and then you're going to go to engagement, and then pages and screens. And this will really help you figure out what are your top pages of your website. This I like to really dig into for blogs too. Like what are our top blog pages that I can continue to go to and add our new CTAs or new products that I've launched, or make sure that it's the most up-to-date information. Now earlier I showed you in this real-time report that it gives you a breakdown of desktop and mobile. But another question that we really like to answer a lot is how many mobile visitors versus desktop viewers do we have? Now, this is data that we really need to know to make sure that all of our pages are optimized. If we're in the middle of a launch, we want to make sure that we know where are most of our sales coming from and how can we continue to elevate these pages for a better user experience. So to see that information, you go to, again, reports. You'll go down to user and you'll go to tech overview. And inside of the tech overview, you're able to, again, get that snapshot of where are they coming from. Apple users, where are our desktop versus mobile, And we're able to just get a better picture and understanding of who exactly our viewers are coming from and what they're using. Underneath this tech setting, there's so many really awesome things you can look into. You can also get a good overview of your actual demographic of people. So this is how we are using Google Analytics 4 to tell the story for us and to really help us update, refine blog content, create new blog content, and just enhance our overall marketing efforts.